Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll learn how to add a local music player to the sidebar of the Astro project. We'll start from scratch and using a clean, elegant block template called Fluidity, and I'll walk you through every step. So all source files are available on GitHub, so please follow my GitHub and start this repo. Okay, first, let's create a new Astro project with the current template. Open the folder where you're going to create your project. Open the terminal, and you may use one of the three methods to create a new Astro template. And here I use PNPM method. After running the command, you need to input some basic informations for the program to run. And here for debug use, I just randomly type some words in it. And then we'll wait until the template finish running. And before we integrating the music player, please note that the player uses a Salvit component, so your Astro project must support Svelte. So by default, Astro supports multiple frameworks. So if you're not using the template that I'm currently using, you may manually add those packages by yourselves. Except for Svelte, the player relies heavily on Tailwind classes. So if your project doesn't use Tailwind, either you could replace classes with custom CSS or install and configure Tailwind in your project. And then we'll wait until the program finishes running. And then you can see that it's already finished. And then we'll go to the GitHub page, download two files. One is local player, other is music. After downloading, open the root folder, find src, find components, find widget, and then put the two files you just downloaded into this widget folder. And then let's open these files. First, let's look at the local player solve it. As you can see, there are many configurations about the video player. And next, we'll look at the music.astro. As you can see, we maintain a audio list here. You could add more music as you wish, just to make sure the path is correct, so the program can get access to the files to the source it needs. Okay, so now let's come back to the root folder, open the terminal, and let's run the program by using pnpm dev. Okay, now you can see the website that there is no music player because we haven't added into the pages. And now I'll try to put the music player into the sidebar. And now let's go to the file, find the file called sidebar. Uh, and I'll add the music player at the bottom of the sidebar. So I'll put it in the last part of the file. And do not forget to import the packages it needs. And then we save the files and run again. As you can see, there's still some errors. There is no music playing and there's no album information because we haven't put the music and album information in the right place. And now we open the root folder, find public, and we create a new folder called music. You could put these files in any location, just make sure that the program can get access to it. And now everything works.
When I told you I was falling for when I told
As you can see, the music player works very well. So after doing this, you could deploy your Astro project on GitHub or any other platform that support. So that's all for today. We start from creating an Astro project, and then we integrate our own local music player. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video and feel free to get all these codes needed from my GitHub. Thank you.